In this video, we're covering the replacement of the Monsoon showerhead for Insignia's Platinum shower range. For this, you will need 2 people and a pair of pump pliers. The first step when undertaking any maintenance on your shower is isolating your water supply. Using the pump pliers, disconnect the water feed from the top of the Monsoon showerhead. Next, you need to use the pump pliers to remove the securing nut on top of the shower. It's very important your assistant steps inside the shower and holds the showerhead in place. Firstly, it assists in removing the nut as it gives the person removing it more purchase. But secondly, it also prevents the showerhead falling into the tray once the nut has been removed. To replace, feed the Monsoon showerhead thread through the hole and hold it securely in position. Now the other person can simply reconnect the securing nut and tighten with pump pliers. Finally, reattach the water feed, remembering to check you've replaced the washer. And once again, tighten with pump pliers. Do not over tighten.